Uh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie. In case you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be showing you 5 different looks you can wear out on dates. The outside is open, and despite the fact that there's curfews and whatnot, that doesn't mean we can't dress up and go out on dates, right? So for this first look, I'm just wearing a nice red bodycon dress. It's actually a wine red dress that fits me like a glove. It didn't fit me at first when I got it, but thank God I have a very good tailor, and because of that I can enjoy wearing this dress. I love it. The fabric is super comfortable, and I really love how the color contrasts with my skin, and red is always such a great color for date night or any kind of date. And I just paired it with some very simple heels. I really love these shoes. I wear them every other time that I want to wear heels that are comfortable, and the fact that they're black and they have laces is just an amazing thing. They're so easy to walk in, and I really love how they went with my dress. So I really love reds for dates, and you'll notice in my video I'm wearing a lot of red. So this is what I'm talking about. My second look also has a touch of red. You never go wrong with anything red, and actually with a combination of red and black. So here for this second date night outfit, I decided to go for a red sweater top, which I absolutely love. It's beautiful. I thrifted the top, but I got the skirt years back from a website called Sammy Dress. I don't know if they still operate, if they still ship to Kenya, that is. And I decided to just pair this skirt and sweater top outfit with a cape blazer, a black one that I also got from a website called Rose Girl years back. I went for the same shoes that I was wearing in my first look, this black open shoes. They're lace up, and I love the fact that the white and the black go so well with my skirt. And yeah, I went for a nice pair of earrings and a clutch. This clutch is part of a bag that comes as a set. I really love this look, especially because it's so nice, it's so decent. It doesn't show too much skin, but it's still super hot, if I do say so myself. So thirdly, I have another red dress that I absolutely love. If you watched my Don't Rush Challenge video, you'll recognize this dress because it's the one I was wearing. It's this beautiful chiffon cold shoulder dress. I actually thrifted it. It's not brand new, but I really love how it fits me. First of all, the length is amazing. I am rarely within anything short, and this is just a nice length for me. It's above the knee, but it's still within my style, and I love the fact that the dress has layers, so when you're wearing it you don't feel like it can be blown away by the wind. The cold shoulder allows me to just show off my beautiful shoulders. Showing off some skin is not such a bad idea in many cases, just as long as you show enough and not too much. I also really love the fact that with this dress you can see my collarbones. So yeah, I also just paired the dress with everything else black. A black skinny belt, as you can see. I also went for a black bag. I've had this bag for quite some time. Actually, this look is just all thrifted. I love the earrings. Got them from the nail parlor in Eldoret. Somebody was walking around with them. I also went for a pair of heels that you can see. I got the heels from my sister. So this is just a very nice outfit, and I really love how my hair went with it. When you're wearing such a dress, you surely cannot fail to feel good about yourself. So that was the third look. The fourth look is for you if you just love wearing something long on a cold day, because sometimes it does get cold. So I decided to just layer a slip dress, which by the way has a very long slit, with a sweater. This sweater is actually very warm. It's slightly on the heavier side, but I love the fact that it doesn't draw too much when you look at the dress from the back, for example. So I love golden. First of all, a golden color for a date, just like I love red. And here I'm just pairing this dress with everything else black. The earrings have crystals, but they're mostly golden, and I went for a layered necklace. I also went for a black bag. It's a sling bag, actually, a crossbody, but I just decided to wear it like that. And yeah, for the footwear, I went comfy with just a pair of mules that you'll just see in a bit. but I decided to go with the mules because of the length of the dress. It's not too long, and I figured if I wore higher heels it would look a little awkward. So there you go, that's the pair of shoes that I chose for this outfit. And yeah, that made for my fourth look for this video. So finally, there's that group of people that just love to be in casual wear, whether they're in a restaurant, at an office, at a date and whatnot. This would make for the perfect date outfit because it's something casual, but it's still very classy. So here I'm wearing a velvet top. Velvet is such a nice way to go if you're looking for a classy look, and it just never goes out of style. So for this outfit, I paired my velvet top with this pair of pants that I got from Samantha Nyakoe during the first Instamarket 254. I love the pants because they are so unique. As you can see, they have this amazing print that I absolutely love, and they fit me so well. I actually had to tailor them, but now they fit me so well. I went for a layered necklace again and a black bag, but then because I just wanted that feminine feel, I added a pair of Mary Jane heels that I absolutely love. You've seen them in so many videos. And then I went for a hat because I am a hat girl, and this Baker Boy hat does not cover your face, because remember, during a date you don't want your face to be hidden. You want to be able to see your partner just the same way you want to see your partner or your date to see you. Remember, it just facilitates better communication if you can both see each other. Makes more sense, right? So thank you so much for watching this date night lookbook video. I hope you loved the looks. Let me know which one your favorite was in the comment section, and if you would rock any of these. I am particularly a very big fan of the colors black, red and golden for a date night, but let me know in case you have any others in mind that you think would work great, so that maybe I can try them during another video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel in case you still haven't, and yeah, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post another video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.